Mark, how do you feel about the fitness test coming up?
I'm looking forward to doing this fitness test this morning. Not sure what it entails, but I'm really psyched up to get going and give it my best.
And so what do you think of the 8 weeks, next 8 weeks ahead for you?
I'm looking forward very much to the next 8 weeks. My team, I'm really looking forward to working with them. I know they'll do me proud, and I'll help them and give them as much help as I can. And I know they'll get great results.
Are you going to beat Derek's team?
Most definitely. Up the ladies.
Level 1, go, go, go.
Anita, are you looking forward to the fitness test?
I'm absolutely dreading the fitness test, but hopefully in 8 weeks' time I'll have improved a bit.
Come on, jump up.
Darren, how are you feeling now after the fitness test?
Fitness test was tough enough now, in fairness. Got as far as level 9. She's a bit out of breath, but a bit of recovery one. So it's really hard to that.